there a selfie gadget that can take unique pictures to all? That it has a small size, so much that it can fit in your pocket, and that can make you look cool anywhere, anytime? The answer is Dobby. Are you interested? Say goodbye to your selfie sticks. Let's Dobby.
Use selfie and orbit modes to take dramatic aerial group photos and video, or use follow me mode to grab compelling aerial footage of your action sports adventures. The shots that previously would have required a skilled pilot are now accessible with a click of a button. Live in the moment and let Breeze do the work. Once you've captured photos and videos with Breeze, download and share them via your favorite social media quickly and easily. You can write a personalized message and share instantly, all without leaving the app interface. It's that simple.